Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to pin a message in WhatsApp group. Well, first up, open your WhatsApp as you can see on your screen and select the group that you want to pin. For example, this one. Now tap on your profile name right there at the top. And basically here, you just need to tap on this add group description. So from this group description, you can write down here any description or message that you want to pin. So right now, this is the best way here to basically pin this message on your WhatsApp. So we can just write down here, for example, we will write here sample only. So just an example. So just type here. And once you've done, you just have to tap on this OK button right here at the bottom right. So if you go back here, as you can see, we have changed our group description here. So you can tap that to view that group description. So that's it. That's how you basically pin a message in WhatsApp group. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.